A rooster lays an egg on the roof. Which side will it roll down? What is the answer? Let me know in the comments. Which side will it roll down if a rooster lays an egg on the roof? Leave your answer in the comments. Let me know. What do you think the answer will be if it lays an egg on the roof, and which side will it roll down? And the answer is it's not possible because roosters don't lay eggs. Roosters don't lay eggs. So there is no way the rooster will lay an egg where you will now start thinking of the side it will roll down. So let me know if you fall for this or if you got it right just by reading the question. Let me know in the comments.